I'm David, working for Elektron since 7 years, something now. Recently I've been working with this guy, product owner of the Syntakt. It's a combination of digital and analog voices, drum synthesis, but also very much a melodic machine. It has eight digital tracks and 4 analog tracks. The analog tracks are very versatile voices for drum synthesis, but also for real cool acid bass lines, if you like that. The company has existed for over 20 years. This is a new product in the family of Digitakt, Digitone, Heat, and we're really happy to have it out. It has a really cool FX track or bus, where you can route all tracks into it in order to get distortion, analog distortion on everything, and you can work with an envelope for creating dynamics in your mix, and you have the delay and reverb that you would recognize from other Elektron devices. You have external ins that you can process through analog distortion also. Very, very, very crunchy sound you can get from that. And 1,000 somewhat presets inside it. It has a machine concept, so to speak, so the voices have within a voice you have different machines that are catered to certain types of sound, like a bass drum or a snare drum, and that also gives a set of parameters that are very tailored to that type of sound. In addition, we added a performance section here that has, from the beginning, retrig, velocity, but also assignable modifiers. These give 4 different values of every trig you hit, so to speak. So you can have different rates on your retrigs, like whatever. That's a really cool feature. We worked a lot on the graphics for this. So new iconry, really nice interaction. You kind of understand what you do very, very easily with this device. And it has full overbridge support. It actually has 20 simultaneous tracks going out of it over USB, and you can also process the other direction from your DAW into this device over USB also. It's really cool, and that has full good timing with your DAW, so you can essentially use this as just a plug-in in your studio setup. Bye bye. Greetings from Superbooth 2022. Have a nice day.